Are you planning to buy a new car in 2024, but are unsure about reliability and other factors? This video is for you. Hi guys, welcome to Supercar Secret, where we guide you through the car buying process and help you master car ownership. In this video, we'll explore the long-lasting and most reliable new vehicles you can buy in 2024. These recommendations are based on surveys from reputable sources like Consumer Reports, iSeeCars, and Car Edge. So without wasting time, let's start our video. Number 1. Toyota Camry. The Camry has a long history of reliability and it is consistently rated highly by Consumer Reports and J.D. Power and Associates. The Camry is one of the most fuel-efficient mid-size sedans on the market. The base LE gets up to 32 mpg in the city and 41 mpg on the highway, and the hybrid gets up to 51 mpg combined. With a 9 out of 10 reliability score, the Camry stands out as the most likely vehicle to reach 200,000 miles reliably. Number 2. Honda Accord. Now, in the second spot, we have the Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is another mid-size sedan that has been a staple in the American automotive landscape for over 40 years. Consumer Reports ranks it as the second most likely vehicle to reach 200,000 miles, and both iSeeCars and Car Edge give it high reliability scores with an A grade. Overall, the Honda Accord is a great choice for buyers looking for a refined, fuel-efficient, and reliable mid-size sedan. Number 3. Honda CR-V. The CR-V has a spacious interior that can comfortably seat 5 adults. The CR-V is available with a variety of fuel-efficient powertrains, including a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and a hybrid powertrain. The hybrid CR-V is particularly impressive, with an EPA estimated fuel economy of up to 40 mpg combined. Consumer Reports places it among the top vehicles likely to reach 200,000 miles, and both iSeeCars and Car Edge give it high reliability scores. Number 4. Toyota Prius. In the fourth spot, we have the Toyota Prius, the most reliable hybrid. Praised by Consumer Reports, iSeeCars, and Car Edge, the Prius stands out for its fuel efficiency and exceptional reliability, with a score of 9.2 out of 10. If you're looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and stylish car, the 2024 Toyota Prius is a great option. Number 5. Toyota Sienna. Claiming the fifth spot is the Toyota Sienna, the most reliable minivan according to Consumer Reports. The Toyota Sienna is a minivan that offers a spacious and comfortable interior, a long list of standard features, and a variety of powertrain options, including a hybrid model that gets up to 36 mpg combined. With an 8.9 out of 10 reliability score and an A grade from Car Edge, the Sienna is a top choice for those seeking a reliable, long-lasting minivan. So guys, it was all about the most reliable new vehicles that you can buy in 2024. If you people enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Supercar Secret for more exciting content.